Hi there. I'm your co-host, and today we're diving into Lesson 11.
That's right. Today's topic is intensive review of incorrect question types and dictation training.
This is super important because we're going to analyze the mistakes you made in previous mock exams.
Exactly. Let's start with Part 1, Introduction and Error Analysis.
So, why do students make mistakes in listening? There are three main reasons.
First, lack of concentration. Sometimes you miss key words because you're not fully focused.
Second, vocabulary gaps. If you don't know certain words, you can't understand the passage.
And third, insufficient strategies. You need to know how to approach each question type.
Great summary. Now let's move to Part 2, Intensive Review by Question Type.
We'll cover three main question types today.
Type 1, Understanding Speaker's Intention. This is tricky because you need to read between the lines.
For example, if someone says in Korean,
그렇게 하면 안 될 것 같은데요.
That means I don't think that's a good idea. It's an indirect way of expressing disagreement.
Type 2, Listening for specific details. You need to catch numbers, times, and places.
For example,
오후 3시에 도서관 2층에서 만나요?
That's let's meet at 3 p.m. on the second floor of the library. You need to note the time and place.
Type 3, Understanding Overall Content. Focus on the introduction and conclusion to get the main idea.
Alright, now let's move to Part 3, Intensive Dictation Training.
Dictation is one of the best ways to improve your listening skills.
We'll start with short sentences. Listen carefully and try to write them down.
Sentence 1.
오늘 날씨가 정말 좋네요.
That means the weather is really nice today.
Sentence 2.
내일 회의가 몇 시에 시작하나요?
What time does the meeting start tomorrow?
Sentence 3.
저는 한국 음식을 아주 좋아합니다.
I really like Korean food. Simple but important.
Now let's try a medium-length dialogue. Dialogue 1.
주말에 뭐 할 거예요?
친구들과 영화 보러 갈 계획이에요.
어떤 영화 볼 건데요?
새로 나온 한국 영화요. 평점이 아주 좋대요.
That was about weekend plans and watching a highly rated Korean movie.
Dialogue 2.
이번 시험 어땠어요?
생각보다 어려웠어요. 특히 듣기 부분이요.
저도요. 다음에는 더 열심히 준비해야겠어요.
네. 같이 공부할까요?
That dialogue was about exam difficulty and studying together next time.
Now for the long passage about Chuseok, a Korean traditional holiday. Listen carefully.
한국의 전통 명절 중 하나인 추석은 음력 8월 15일에 지냅니다. 이날은 가족들이 모여 조상께 감사를 드리고 송편을 만들어 먹습니다. 추석에는 많은 사람들이 고향을 방문하기 때문에 교통이 매우 혼잡합니다. 하지만 가족과 함께 시간을 보내는 것은 매우 의미 있는 일입니다.
Beautiful. Chuseok is all about family, gratitude, and traditional rice cakes called songpyeon.
Now let's tackle Part 4, Practice Questions. Question 1.
내일 회의 준비는 다 됐어요?
네, 자료는 준비했는데 프린터가 고장나서 출력을 못했어요.
그럼 제 프린터 쓰세요. 사무실 옆방에 있어요.
정말요? 감사합니다.
Question, what problem does the woman need to solve?
The answer is number 2, printer malfunction problem. She prepared the materials but couldn't print them.
Question 2.
이번 주말에 등산 갈 건데 같이 갈래요?
가고 싶은데 토요일에 가족 모임이 있어서 안 될 것 같아요.
그럼 일요일은 어때요?
일요일은 괜찮아요. 몇 시에 만날까요?
Question, when did they decide to meet?
The answer is number 3, Sunday. The man has a family gathering on Saturday, so they agreed on Sunday.
Question 3.
한국의 대중교통은 매우 편리합니다. 지하철과 버스가 잘 연결되어 있어서 어디든지 쉽게 갈 수 있습니다. 특히 서울의 지하철은 24시간 운행하지는 않지만 새벽 1시까지 운행합니다. 또한 교통카드를 사용하면 환승 할인도 받을 수 있습니다.
Question. Choose the statement that matches the content.
The answer is number 2, you can receive transfer discounts with a transportation card.
The passage clearly states this benefit.
Wow, we covered so much today. Let's recap.
We analyzed error patterns, reviewed question type strategies, and practiced intensive dictation.
Remember, repetition is key. Practice the dictation passages again at home.
And don't forget to keep an error notebook. Write down every mistake and analyze why you made it.
Next lesson is the final mock exam and comprehensive review of all question types.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, and good luck with your preparation.